Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 550 model. This Roomba is used, but it's in a great shape and it works great. It does come with a used battery which lasts about an hour and 43 minutes, which is great. Actually lasts a bit longer than some new batteries. So anyway, so the battery is excellent condition here, and this Roomba will last you for a while. I'll get down to straight what we got here. So it comes in the original box. And the boxes are in very nice condition, so it'll make a perfect gift if you guys try and give somebody. Alright. Alright, so I'll show you guys what we got here. So I got two virtual wall lighthouses here, which they do require two C-size batteries each. So the lighthouses. And these are in excellent condition. Alright. Also got a charger here. Also in excellent condition. Got a docking station here. Shows a little bit wear, but overall in great shape. For more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures. If you have any questions, please let me know. Alright, comes with an extra brand new filter. Alright, and the Roomba itself right here. Alright. Here it is. Well, like I said before, this Roomba is used, not brand new. So it does show a little bit of wear on it. Some blemishes. And small little scratches. But overall it's in great shape. On the pictures you guys can see a little more detail of the bumper area. See as good a video, but anyway, the bottom side of it, you got three-legged brush here, which is in great shape, and the front wheel is also in great shape. Here's the model number 550. It does come with a battery connector. Basically, you just pull this out. It's a tab you pull out, which connects the battery to the system, so it saves the battery while it's being shipped to you guys. So everything has been cleaned and disinfected with Clorox wipes. So get nice clean Roomba. Here's the dustbin, the vacuum bin. There's a serial number in case anybody interested in. So the brushes have been cleaned and everything, and the gears on this clean head module have been cleaned out and re-lubed, so you get long life out of this Roomba. I'll show you guys how it works. Let me just pull the tab. You hear a beeping noise and connects the battery to the system. I'll do a straight run and you guys see that the bumper sensors work just fine. So everything has been checked and double checked, make sure everything works properly. So happy bidding. Thanks for watching.